Hi all. Today we will discuss about how the condition base will be determined in case of the calculation type in condition type maintained as ABHI. The condition base will be stored during runtime, that is XKOMV the structure and KWRT is the field, and KRECH is the field which will hold the calculation type. You see here in the condition type controls we have field called calculation type, and you see this one here, and A means percentage, B means fixed amount, H means percentage in hundreds, I means percentage in travel expenses. So condition base for this calculation rule determined from one or more uh, condition values in the condition document currency, which will make it value related condition basis like euro, JPY, INR, USD, etc. And a similar way we have it for weight related, volume, quantity condition basis. Mainly condition base will be working based on setup maintained in pricing procedure. So backend database table which will store the pricing procedure is T683S, and the transaction code to maintain the pricing procedure setup is V/08. So in the pricing procedure we have two fields, one is from and one more is to. From to to, these two fields are key to determine the condition basis. From will be stored in the field STUNB and to will be stored in STUN2. Okay, you see here, this is the pricing procedure. You see the fields from to. Now let's understand the different scenarios that we have. Different scenarios and how the system will try to calculate the condition basis. In first case, we will see whenever if there is no steps are maintained in the field from and to. So in these cases, the XKOMV-KAWRT will be determined based on the one local variable, that is ZWISU. Ideally, this ZWISU will hold the base price, and for which the KINAC inactive indicator is not set as Y. Additionally, ZWISU will hold all other pricing like surcharges, discounts, freight, taxes. So everything will be keep on adding to this ZWISU. If you see here, for example, we are now in step number 100, and there is no step number maintained here in from to column. In this case, ZWISU will be determined here. The ZWISU will be determined before this step, before 100 step. Those value will be determined and it will be updated in the variable XKOMV-KAWRT. And one more thing that we need to remember is that so for base price KOID is equal to B, and KINAC indicator should not be equal to Y. Similar way, other pricing conditions like surcharges, discounts, taxes, freights will not be set as AKLMXZ. If any of the condition types have this inactive reason, then that will be ignored. If it is a positive value, if it's surcharge or freight, then that will be added to ZWISU. If it's negative, that means if it is discount, then that will be reduced from ZWISU. Thanks everyone. we'll continue in the next video.